Hi guys. Hey, today I am going to finally do a review in my quest for vitamin C to help with my age spots. I have not found my holy grail yet. I did use Josie Maran Argan Bright Skin Vitamin C Serum. It was supposed to be a dark spot eraser. And I used that all up, so 2 months, month and a half. Then I started using the Tarte Youth or Dare, and this is the multi-acid and C serum. And for that Josie Maran, I had purchased this in a little kit. It was a Let's Get Started. It was around holiday, so November. It was $52. I got these products. I did give these to my daughter. And I did try these too because I was really interested in this as well. It's just a cleanser. I'm glad I didn't buy the full size. It's not my favorite. I have a couple of favorite cleansers. And there's nothing wrong with it. It's just I didn't think it cleansed my skin so well. And to me, it left my skin a little dry. This, I had high hopes, such high hopes. It did not lighten up any of my spots whatsoever, and that is disappointing. But when I started this, and I'll leave that video up above, I had said the only one I had ever purchased that actually made a difference was the Drunk Elephant. By the time this is all said and done, it would have been cheaper for me just to do a Drunk Elephant, but I want to do these, find different types of vitamin C's, see what works with my skin, and if you have skin similar to mine and my age, then perhaps this will help you out as well. And Drunk Elephant's expensive, let's be real. It's what, $90, $80 or $90 for the 1 ounce. And then vitamin C is not a very stable product anyway. It goes bad, so why spend that much when you may not go through all of it and it's just a waste. But I digress. Like I said, I use this every morning, and of course I put sunscreen on because I put sunscreen on every day, and they're still there. After I used that all up, I went ahead and started using the Tarte Youth, not Truth. If I said truth earlier, sorry. That wasn't the truth. Youth or Dare. Again, I had high hopes for that. I didn't even use all of it. I'll show you what that looks like coming out. That looks gross. That is what this one looked like. And it just did not, it didn't help whatsoever. It makes me very sad. So I'm gonna do a video tomorrow because it's nighttime and I'm going to go to bed. I'm gonna do a video tomorrow on a recent haul I made at Ulta, but one of the products I did purchase in that haul is the Beekman 1802 vitamin C and retinol bloom kit. It's a daily probiotic moisturizer plus 2 powerful booster serums, and it's made for sensitive skin. I don't really have sensitive skin, I just have old skin. Anyway, Beekman, if you're not familiar with them, they have I want to say a farm, and it's a goat farm, and they use natural ingredients and a lot of goat milk in their products. My mom loves their stuff. I have their hand lotions and soaps, and I do like them as well. And I want to say within the last 6 months they've gone into skincare. think it's 6 months. Please don't hold me to that because I'm not 100%. So it's the little sample kit. I have no qualms buying something full size, but this is half full and it's going to go to waste. At least this I used up. I would rather buy a little thing and try it out, and if it works, then I'll buy the full size. So, and all I did was just pull the tab off earlier. So you open it up. This packaging is recyclable, by the way. It's cute. I mean, I don't know. As a woman of 50, this isn't something I would sit there and go, oh, look, flowers and a pin of a goat. It's cute, but I'll never wear it. So it looks like here is the probiotic moisturizer and then these two little serums. And I want to make sure that I use this per their directions. And I do not mind using retinol again. Probably should be using it. I'm not getting any younger and the wrinkles aren't getting any less. So let's just get some information. So it says our first concentrated booster serums. I'm going to put you up a little bit higher. There we go. Are formulated for your sensitive skin. Unlike traditional harsh actives, bloom boosters are alternative actives that are safer yet effective on skin, like amla, berry, and Boxycharm. The amla contains 20% more vitamin C than an orange, and the Boxycharm is a plant-based alternative, or plant-based retinol alternative without the harsh side effects. Boost your bloom cream for clinically proven results and see brighter, smoother skin and let a more youthful appearance. Let your skin drink in. And it says use right after cleansing with their milk bar, but I'm not buying the milk bar right now. I have, like I said, cleansers. So the brand Beekman is free of fragrance, sulfates, parabens, mineral oil, alcohol, phthalates, synthetic colorants, formaldehyde, and talc, because yuck. And it is certified cruelty-free, Leaping Bunny, and PETA. And here's the story of them. And I know this because my mom has been buying stuff from them for a while. It's Dr. Brent Ridge and Josh Kilmer Purcell left big city life and decamped to the Beekman farm in rural Sharon Springs, New York. They took in a neighboring farmer and his herd of goats and created their first skincare products using goat milk fresh from the farm. So, I mean, they are a good brand and good for your skin ingredients. It says step 1, start with pumps of bloom cream in your palm. And then step 2, add 1 to 2 drops of boosters to the cream. Swirl together in the palm of your hand to activate and apply to clean, dry skin. So in the AM, golden booster to brighten skin and even out. Okay. So here's the golden booster. That's the vitamin C. And then at night, dream booster to target fine lines and wrinkles and minimize pores. And it says it's gentle enough for daily use, morning or night, suitable for all skin types. says to create your own, so I'm going to add both of those tonight. I guess if I wake up tomorrow with very irritated red skin, I know not to do it again. Doesn't have a scent. And yes, I know I said it's fragrance free. However, sometimes ingredients have scents. So I'm going to add two and a half drops of the vitamin C. And then here is the Dream Booster. Now I've been using my La Mer skincare forever, and unfortunately they have never come out with a vitamin C. And I wish they would. And I will rub skincare on my face, but I want to make sure that I don't tug too much, so it goes on very nice. And even this moisturizer, I mean, it's not tacky. It was very nice and lightweight. So I guess I'll be testing this out. I will continue using both of these, and then I will stick to a regimen of using the vitamin C in the morning and then the retinol, Bachui, I think is what you call it. Bacchul. I don't know. Retinol, Beta-Retinol serum at night. And I'll use the Bloom Cream probiotic cleanser with it. I am also in the process of testing some other serums. So hopefully this will be the vitamin C that I need, and it will help with these age spots. Just give you a close-up. Don't I look pretty? Got right there. I got some right. See this one right there is very prevalent. This isn't an age spot, but this is a scar, so it just needs to get lightened up. So I'm very hopeful. I hope that this quest of mine will be done soon. If you guys have any suggestions or any ideas on a vitamin C serum to try, if this one doesn't work out, please leave it down below. Like I said, I really want to find some that work and actually get rid of and lighten the age spots on my skin, on my face. And I know I was born in the 70s, so in the 70s and the 80s, I was a bronze goddess. Lay out in the sun all the time, no sunscreen. To my defense, I didn't know any better. I mean, we used baby oil and iodine. Don't do that. Bad. Very bad. I'm lucky I don't have skin cancer, because then, as I grew into adulthood and tanning beds came out, I did that too. So I am, so far so good, very fortunate. I am only 50 though, so I mean, this stuff can show up later on in life. That's why I get dermatologist texts. That's why I go and get tested every year. Have the dermatologist check out my skin, because I'm not going to go too far down. But even on my chest, I've got spots. So is what it is. I mean, live and learn. Don't know. That's my history. Anyway, you guys, I do appreciate you taking time to watch this video. and listening to my review on these items. Unfortunately, these two are a no-go for me. But please always test stuff out on yourself, because I'm 50. I'm almost 51. Although I have drier skin. Normal to dry, it just depends. Fine lines and wrinkles. Yeah. So it might work better on somebody with different skin type, and we're all different individuals, and we all have different skin. We really do. We're made up differently and all that stuff. That's the beauty of being an individual. Anyway, you guys, I am really tired, so I am going to head to bed. Hopefully I'll wake up tomorrow and I'll look, ta-da, beautiful. Thank you for spending some time with me. I truly appreciate it. If you're new here, if you are interested in my content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button that's somewhere down below. Next to that is a bell notification. If you hit on it, teach their own, it'll notify you of when my next video has been uploaded and is available. If you all wouldn't mind, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It does help me out, and I truly appreciate it. When I have a goal, I want to get to that goal, and I want to be able to do more for you. More giveaways, bigger giveaways, different products, all that stuff. So I am excited for what this year will bring. I am. Anyway, have a wonderful night, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Much love. Oh, stay safe, stay healthy, and be kind. Bye.